Hey everybody, it's Audrey. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am starting a new series over here called Unpacking the Chaos, where I pick topics that I've covered in my short form videos to talk about in more detail. Sometimes we need more words and substance than what a quick 1-minute video can provide. And so that is the goal of these longer form videos. Today's topic is intentional living. So it's not just me in front of a camera talking. I'm sticking in this video of me making a big family dinner. So hopefully you enjoy that more than just watching me talk. Okay, so back to intentional living. I've built my platform on this topic. I'm an expert on it, and I promise it's not as hard as it sounds. So intentional living is not this rigid, elaborate plan, but rather just a series of conscious, small shifts that empower you to take control of your daily life. It's about transforming your lifestyle, reducing your stress, finding success, and feeling like you're steering your own ship rather than just drifting along the sea. I usually use the analogy of controlling life, so life doesn't control you. That's what living intentionally is. Now, we are all different people, right? We have different goals. We have different obligations. So what intentional living means to me is probably different than what it means to you, but we all get there the same way, if that makes sense. So I'm going to give you 4 steps to follow in whatever order works best for you. And hopefully this will jumpstart your intentional living journey. Number 1, create a to-do list. Now you can go super micro and do this for the day, or you can go more macro and do it for the week. That's up to you, but you need to write something down. Just like you need a map when you're driving someplace you've never been, if you don't have some sort of direction, you'll just wander, hoping to eventually find your destination. Now, wandering isn't all bad. I'm not saying that you shouldn't wander sometimes, but we can't live our entire life wandering. We have to have some sort of direction. So number 1, create a to-do list. Set some goals for yourself. Number 2, brain dump. We are our own worst enemy sometimes. We need to get out of our own head so we can think. We do that by brain dumping. So you're going to grab a piece of paper or your phone, and you're going to write down everything that comes to mind. There doesn't need to be any rhyme or reason to it. You don't need to worry about writing inside the lines or, sticking to like a column format. Just word vomit onto paper. When you're all out of thoughts, like you can't think of anything else to write, then you're done with the dump. And then after that, you'll just organize it into lists. Now, number 3, create easy to manage systems for your life. Maybe this means you adopt an easier cleaning schedule. Maybe you need a better system for paperwork, whatever it is. Start looking around your life for things that you can do easier. Are you doing things the hard way because that's the only way you've ever known? Number 4, simplify. So downsize, declutter. If you don't need it, get rid of it. Success will find you if you stop trying so hard. Don't get an insane skincare routine, right? Just like a handful of really good products. Don't use a bunch of gadgets if you don't need to. This goes right back to the number 3, creating easy to manage systems. Just simplify every aspect of your life. Chances are you've made things so much harder than they need to be. So there you go. There are 4 steps to start your living intentionally journey. Do you want me to delve into this a little bit more? Are there things you have questions about? Are you excited for the Unpacking the Chaos? Let me know all of your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear. As always, please like, share, subscribe, comment, all the things. I'm so grateful to have you here.